In this module, we are going to essentially zoom out, look at the big picture. We'll be overall looking at systems. We're going to look at systems assessment, and we'll also look at performance systems. We're going to, within systems assessment, essentially look at how we can assess a particular system and then use that information to inform and improve the training that we provide. I do want to mention that I placed this particular module at the end of the course because I felt that this is when the information would prove most useful to you, when it would be most understandable. However, with that said, when you're actually providing training, it's important to do the systems assessment part more towards the beginning of the training that you provide. You need that information to help you design the best possible training. We will have also in this module a series of articles about leadership and culture, and again, that's how things apply to the big picture. The first article will help you become familiar with the idea of behavioral systems analysis. This just basically marries both behavior analysis and systems theory. This article really addresses the importance of pulling everything together. You know, we need theory, we need data, and we need to be able to pull everything together in a meaningful way if we're going to apply it and affect change. We'll also have a series of readings about what's called the Performance Diagnostic Checklist. This is becoming more and more well known. It's a wonderful tool that we have available to us where we can go through and assess an overall situation, an overall system, and use what we learn to guide the intervention that we provide, to guide the training that we provide. We will next read an article by Hentula, which I hope will inspire you to shoulder some of the responsibility for the staff that you supervise, finding their job enjoyable. When you're supervising somebody who doesn't really enjoy their job, it's very easy to blame that person, but really as the leader, we need to consider that we may have some role in that. Trying to help staff to enjoy their work, that really benefits everybody. It benefits the staff member, and it also benefits the individuals that you serve, and also it benefits you because it allows you to use your time efficiently and to enjoy your job as well. We'll then read some articles that can provide guidance and inspiration to you about how to be a good leader. How can we as leaders influence the culture in which we work? When you're really struggling to solve a problem, it can be very easy to look very microscopically at the program, but sometimes you really need to zoom out and look at the overall culture in which you're working. You need to be able to consider your leadership and the effect you're having on that culture and what you can do to change that culture. This article will really provide some nice guidance on that. These articles will hopefully help you to learn how to reflect upon a situation that you encounter and think about how to change your leadership to change the culture and make your training more effective. And then we will end this module by providing some descriptions or scenarios of situations, and you will use the infographic that we provide about the Performance Diagnostic Checklist to answer several questions about those scenarios. This infographic was provided by Biaggi and Rodriguez. I think it's very helpful shorthand of how to look at a situation and assess the system. It's basically a nice little cheat sheet. And then the last activity in this course is an evaluation, and I just really hope that you'll take the time to complete the evaluation. I do study on these every semester and try to be as responsive as I can to student feedback, and every semester I wish that I had more information to go on. I also wish sometimes that the information was a little more specific. So if you are willing to provide feedback, please be as specific as you can be, because that will help me to make changes that will benefit our future students. So I really, truly hope you all enjoyed the course, and I hope you will find it useful as you supervise others, and I wish you all well.